probably assumed that I would be the one that would be singing little jingly like the night, the night, the night.
So which we're gonna go? This part here?
Look at these for mom, yeah.
Okay.
Well, we gotta get something to share. I like those.
Yes, I like it. It's a stripe. Purple stripe.
Polka dots. Yeah, polka dots.
Polka dots, yep.
Oh, that's a neat.
This is nice too.
I'm looking for healthy ones too. Like this one here.
That's nice too.
What would you like to get for Sharon? How about that one there with the purple and red?
With white. That's nice, yeah. This is nice too. Or just the same. Oh, 6 in pots, 7 each, or 3 for 20.
Nah, we're gonna get the 4-inch ones for the front yard.
Okay.
Watch out behind you.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Looking for some red.
Yeah, that one. You like that one? This is nice too. There's very beautiful flowers here. 4 each or 15.
These are yours, right? Yeah.
What is it? Paper?
That should be enough for us.
Okay.
$1 each.
So this is what we got, guys. 1 postcard of plants.
Can you put none of those in the fridge, Sam?
8 of the 4-inch.
8 of them?
Yes.
Okay, that'll be
And
30.
2 vegetables for the $1 each.
Okay. Is that everything? We have pies, 12 each, or 2 for 20? And then we have the baked goods, 5 or 3 for 14.
Oh, wow.
I think we're fine.
Okay, so there's
It's time to unload the plants.
Put the one
Yeah,
so we can.
it's easy for us. the truck are full of flowers now, so we're good.
Very nice, and she was tickled pink about that.